Where did your traffic actually come from? Without the right tags, your analytics can only guess. A UTM is a small tag you add to the end of a link. It tells your analytics exactly where a visitor came from. The name comes from Urchin Tracking Module, an old analytics tool. Without tags, most of your traffic lands in vague buckets. Direct, referral, not set. Tag those same links and the buckets become real answers. A newsletter, a paid search ad, a post on Twitter, same visitors, completely different clarity. Here's the shape of a tagged URL. First, your normal page address, then a question mark which tells the browser the tags are starting. After that, each tag is a key and a value, joined together by an ampersand. That is the whole format. First, UTM_source. This is where the click comes from, the specific site or platform. Google, your newsletter, Facebook, Twitter. It is required. Name the actual place the click came from, not the type of place. Next, UTM_medium. The type of channel that delivered the visit. Email, CPC for paid clicks, social, referral, also required. If source is the who, medium is the how. Keep this list short. Third, UTM_campaign. The specific promotion or initiative you are running. Summer sale, launch 2026, Black Friday. This is what lets you compare one push against another, and it is the third required tag. Fourth, UTM_term. This one is optional. It records the paid keyword you bid on. Running shoes CRM software. If you are not running search ads, you can skip it. Most ad platforms fill it in for you. Last, UTM_content. Also optional. It tells you which version or which link was clicked. The top banner, the sidebar, the plain text link. If you run A/B tests, this is the one that pays off. Let us tag one link. Say you are emailing subscribers about a summer sale. Source is newsletter, that is where the click comes from. Medium is email, that is the channel. Campaign is summer sale, that is the promotion. Add all three to your page address and that is a finished tagged link. 3 tags, that is it. Now open your analytics. That click no longer lands in direct or not set. It shows up as newsletter, email, summer sale, a row you can actually act on. That is the whole point. A few rules that save you: lowercase everything. Keep names consistent. Underscores, not spaces. Never tag your own internal links. It wipes the original source. Do not rename a campaign halfway through. And keep private data out of your URLs. Capital N newsletter and lowercase newsletter are 2 different sources. So, the 5. Source, where the click came from. Medium, the type of channel. Campaign, the promotion. All 3 required. Term and content optional. Clean tags in, clear data out. Link UTM builds and tracks your UTMs automatically. No spreadsheets, no typos. Visit linkutm.com.